At first glance, these two images might appear quite similar, but it's only when you zoom out that it becomes clear that one is a potato and the other is Jupiter's rocky moon Io. So what makes Io so special? Well, for starters, it is the strangest moon in our solar system, and it's bright yellow. This color is thought to be the result of sulfur and molten silicate rocks bubbling to its surface through hundreds of its active volcanoes. But why does Io have so many active volcanoes? Well, it has to do with its position. Io is a rocky moon orbiting between Jupiter and other two large Jovian moons, Europa and Ganymede. As a result, its orbit is irregularly elliptical, which causes it to experience tremendous tidal forces and generates a ton of heat, keeping much of its subsurface crust in liquid form, seeking any available escape routes to the surface to relieve the pressure. And that's not all. Data from the Galileo spacecraft indicates that Io may have an iron core, which gives it its own magnetic field. When Jupiter rotates, it takes its magnetic field around with it, sweeping past Io and stripping off about 1 ton of Io's material every second. This material then becomes ionized in the magnetic field, forming a donut-shaped cloud of intense radiation referred to as the plasma torus. Some of the ions are pulled into Jupiter's atmosphere along the magnetic lines of force and create auroras in the planet's upper atmosphere. It is the ions escaping from the plasma torus that inflate Jupiter's magnetosphere to over twice the size we would expect. As we move out into the outer solar system beyond Mars, we come across planets that are gas giants. For a celestial body to support life as we know it, we need liquid water, and that's where the moons of these gas giants get interesting. Jupiter's icy moon Europa and Saturn's Enceladus are believed to have a subsurface ocean covered by a thick layer of ice. Europa, although 1/4 the diameter of the Earth, is believed to contain twice as much water as all of Earth's oceans combined. Saturn's moon Enceladus, on the other hand, has shown evidence of water jets sprouting from fractures on its icy crust, which scientists have informally named tiger stripes. Several gases including water vapor, carbon dioxide, methane, perhaps a little ammonia and either carbon monoxide or nitrogen makes up the gaseous envelope of the plume, along with some salts and silica. The density of organic materials in the plume was about 20 times denser than scientists expected. So that's it for today, but these moons are definitely worth exploring more in future videos. Stay tuned.